Hey guys, so today we are going to start a new assignment that revolves around calculating the cost of health insurance. In order to do that, we're going to do a little bit of work on converting fractions into percents and applying that to some real life scenarios. Okay, so section 1, number 1A, we're going to take that fraction, convert it into a decimal, and that will help us convert that into a percent. So in order to do that, we'll do 1A together. And we'll go ahead and do it in blue because that's my fave color. In order to do that, you're just going to type 1/8 into your calculator by taking 1 divided by 8. And when you do that, you get 0.125. All right, so that's the decimal. Now that I have made it into a decimal, it's much easier to make it into a percent. I'm just going to take this decimal and move it 2 places to the left. And when I do that, I get 12.5%. That's all that you have to do for 1A, B, C, and D. All right. I'm going to go ahead and give you a hint on what to do for number 2 and number 3. So number 2 says 6 friends are out to eat. They decide to split the check evenly between all 6 of them. What percent of the bill will each friend pay? So each friend is going to pay 1/6 of the bill. You're going to go ahead and figure out what decimal that is and convert that into a percent. So they're going to pay what percent of the bill? Number 3, there are 125 students in Professor Rosin's history class. Only 36% of her students passed the most recent test. Use this information to calculate how many students failed the test. So there's a few things that you have to do in this one. So we know that 36% passed, which means if we take 100 minus 36%, okay, because there's 100% of students in class, 36 of them passed, 64% of them failed the test. We're going to go ahead and apply this percentage to the number of students in Professor Rosin's class. In order to do that, you're going to convert that percent into a decimal and then multiply it by 125 to get your answer. If you guys have any questions about those ones, go ahead and let me know. You can always email me or call or text that Google Voice phone number. And just working on section 1 of the assignment today. See you later, guys.